Welcome back to another quick tip session at the Pipeline Academy. We talk a lot about automating the intake process, but what about all the steps after the intake? Did you know that Pipeline can use answers collected from the intake to intelligently drive everything that happens afterwards? Let me show you how with a very common example, customer support cases. Here in step 0, let's pretend that a customer is opening up a support case, and for this example, let's pick RMA return. Then there are some additional options for the resolution to choose from, and I'm going to pick ship replacement. Now, this is the intake, and after the customer submits, someone internally will need to work on the support case. Now, I could create a master checklist that accounts for every possible customer scenario with questions like, if ship replacement, enter the shipment tracking number, or if ship replacement, enter the estimated delivery date, but that's going to make this checklist really long and confusing. Plus, you can't add validation to any of these fields, so mistakes can be made. Now, Pipeline makes all of this easier because I can link the customer answer from step 0 to this checklist so that I can streamline this list and drive the correct response. Okay, now that I've added the linked value, let's make shipment tracking number conditional and base it off of the linked value so that it only appears if the customer picks ship replacement back in step 0. Okay, now that this step is conditional, let's also make it required for this specific scenario. And we're going to do the same thing for estimated delivery date. And that's it. Look how easy it was to link a customer answer from step 0 and use it to drive the correct response in all of the steps afterwards. Okay, now that you've got this handled, did you know that you can also take these form values and use them to automate a personalized email response back to the customer? It's pretty easy with content variables from Pipeline. Just click on the video on the right to learn how. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next session.